Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to check system module number step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7 and other software. So let's start the video. So guys, type here under this search box run run, type here, and after that guys click here this run app option and type here this search box ms info 32, and after that guys click here ok button and find here your system module number. Here there are virtual box and maybe there are different your module number. Okay, so I hope you will know that how to check system module number on your Windows. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.